Adams Wheel Cleaner. We're going to give you a first impression here today. I say we because I have Carlos Serrano with Serrano's Mobile recording me today. All right, so here we go. Adams Wheel Cleaner. I used this long time ago. I haven't used it since. It's 15 bucks on Amazon, and we're just going to kind of go off of it. So thank you for being here. I appreciate y'all. So we're just going to hit these tires. I'm going to show y'all them. Had some overspray. We're testing something out over there, or overspray, water, excuse me. I'll show you how dirty these are, and we'll just come in right here. Show you kind of how dirty these rims are. The crazy thing about being a YouTube creator is now your cars become the test subjects during all this quarantine stuff. So I hope everybody's being safe out there and just doing well. My wife's an ER nurse, and I know lots going on. So I just want to say I love y'all and hope y'all are staying safe. Anyways, we're gonna go back to this, and we're just gonna go application. We're gonna give it about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want to keep y'all longer, but I know I always say that, but I want to give it the benefit of the doubt. Adams does not include any instructions besides use common sense like they always do. So I'm over applying it, and we're gonna start it now. We got timer going right now. So I can see it already working on the brake pad, but I want to see what it's doing on right here. So the wheel cleaner, it said it's safe on painted, powder coated, clear coated, and chrome wheels, thick gel-like viscosity. It's similar to iron free, I would say. Haven't seen anything activated yet. I don't know if y'all can see anything. It's only doing on the brake pad, so we're looking for I guess some purple spots right now. All right, well, what I can tell you is my nose is being activated by the smell, so we got that going for us right now. So it's very strong. All right, I'm starting to see it right now, and we're about 40 seconds, so it's starting to get to work. These wheels are pretty dirty. Haven't cleaned this in like a week or two. I have to start letting this get more dirty because of what's going on and everything like that. I like to do more stuff at home, just respect all the state's guidelines right now when I'm doing YouTube videos. And a lot of my customers are not paying me to make YouTube videos while I'm on the job, so I keep that in mind while I'm detailing. So price point, I think this is a pretty good. It's readily available on Amazon, so that's a cool thing. It's doing a good job. I'm not gonna knock it, but I just kind of wanted to see. But the odor, if I have to compare it to Eagle One, Nanoskin, iron free, and then this is way more potent. Smell mean it's more potent or not? I don't know. With the active ingredients, that's something just to keep in mind. So we're at minute 32 right now. It's still going good. So if y'all do like this tire, this wheel cleaner, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if this is not yours. If you do have a favorite wheel cleaner, let me know in the comments below. Please let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna start reviewing more products. I'm not suggesting to go buy it. I'm more showing you what I've spent money on, and so you can get a review and not waste your hard-earned money if you don't like what I'm doing or don't like what you see from the results. We're not going to agitate, by the way. We just want to see what it's doing. We're at 2 minutes right now. Y'all can see it on the timer. There's 2 minutes, all right? So a little bit longer. We don't want it to dry. I know specifically, even on here, Adam says you don't want it to dry, okay? And work one wheel at a time. They do suggest working one wheel at a time, all right? So I think we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Let's see, 2 minutes and 25 seconds, and we're at 2:30. Forgive the dogs in the background. So we can see it. It's even busting up the grease and grime. So I'll give them that. I'm not here to knock this. I'm just here to kind of showcase it and kind of give an impression because I have not used this stuff in a long time. I want to say this stuff runs right around $50-ish on Amazon, price per gallon. So Nanoskin Iron Free still winning the battle on that one per gallon. It's similar, I think. Nanoskin, it has a little heavier on the gel concentration, so it gets working better. Maybe we'll do a comparison. All right, so we're at 3 minutes. Okay, we're gonna rinse off and just kind of see how this looks on the after. I got some rags sitting up there, and we'll do a wipe off. So if you have headphones, turn them down. We're gonna have some water going on. All right, 3, 2, 1, and here comes the water. All right, I would say that is at least 80% better. So I think that looks pretty good. We'll do a little wipe over the rag, and this is no agitation, so I mean, I am not expecting perfection from this. So yeah, I'm picking up some dirt, but I think these look pretty good for no agitation and using it just as it's straight. Not sure if you want to cut it 50-50. I know some people I've heard do cut that 50-50, so if you want to save some money, well, that might be something that's up your alley. I just don't like cutting wheel cleaner, iron removers, if you will, follower removers, because I want the whole working power of what I'm using. All right, so that's the reason I don't cut them. So everybody to each their own. But anyways, I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay safe, keep it simple. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.